Hello. Wikipedia's picture of the day, October 6, 2020. Today's video is about Aerospike engine. An Aerospike engine is a type of rocket engine that maintains its aerodynamic efficiency across a wide range of altitudes. A rocket engine directs a high-speed propulsive jet of fluid in one direction, generating thrust in the opposite direction. An Aerospike engine differs from a conventional one in that, instead of firing the gases out of a small hole in the middle of a bell-shaped nozzle extension, it fires them along the outside edge of a wedge-shaped protrusion, the spike. This 2001 photograph shows a Rocketdyne XRS-2200 linear Aerospike engine for the Lockheed Martin X-33 program being tested at the Stennis Space Center in Hancock County, Mississippi. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and share.